Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the Windows Update error that says your device is missing important security updates. To get started, simply search for services and open it. From here, find the Windows Update service. Double click on it, set the startup type to disabled and stop the service if it is running. Now keeping the services window open your File Explorer, go to C drive, Windows folder. From here, go to Software Distribution folder. Select and delete all the contents from here. Now go back to the Services window. Set the startup type to automatic and start the service. Save the change. Close the Services window and restart your computer, and then try to update Windows and see if this fixes the issue or not. However, if you are still getting the error, then proceed ahead with the next method. Simply open your browser and search for Windows 11 ISO. From the search results, go to this first web page of Microsoft. Then scroll down, click on this drop down and select the Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO and click on Confirm. Then choose the product language. If you aren't sure about the product language of your Windows, simply go to your Windows settings. Then go to Time and Language. Then go to Language and Region. Here you can see the language of your Windows. So accordingly, select the product language and click on Confirm. Now click here to download the Windows 11 ISO file. Once downloaded, right click over the ISO file and click on Mount. Now right click over the setup file and run it as administrator. In this window, at the bottom, make sure you uncheck this option. Once you uncheck, simply click on Next. Accept the license agreement from here. Now from here, from these three options, make sure you are selecting the first option or either the second option. Make sure you are not selecting the nothing option, because this will delete all your apps, settings and files. Once you select the proper option from the first two, click on Next and Windows will perform an in-place upgrade that will resolve the Windows Update errors. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.